Wednesday, March 17th, 2021. It's 10:05 and Mama has arrived. She's been eating hard food, dog food over there in the Dr. Pepper thing, and peanut butter sandwiches. And it is pouring down rain. It was 70 degrees today. Such a beautiful day. And I think it's supposed to rain until 2 o'clock tomorrow. Thunderstorms early in the morning. But anyway, that's it here in East Tennessee. Hey, Mama, you're wet. You're wet, girl. Do you like that hard food too? Yeah. Love your dark colors. So tomorrow we will find out if what's going to go on with her jaw. They say she may not need surgery. And they'll have to realign it, but her appointment's tomorrow, and I will update y'all about that. She's doing better, and she's at home. I know I told you that, but her oxygen is still off. I don't know why. There's a few things. Too many fluids in the hospital. Of course, the pain. But just keep her in your thoughts, guys, please. Big ears, you be good girl tonight, okay? So good to see you, Mama. So good to see you. There's that pretty face. There's that pretty face. It's storming, huh? I'm glad you got out of that rain. Came in here to dry off. You want more? Yeah. It is loud outside. It looks weird without the equipment in here, the excavator and mini track loader. And bush hog and all that. It's outside. That's why there's oil marks or whatever it is. Whatever fluid that is. I know how to run them. That's about it. Here, Mama. Here, Mama. Mama, where you going? Get you peanut butter sandwich. Come here, girl. Where you going? Mama. Come here. Come here, you silly girl. You about to run off? I'm sorry. Can't miss that thick peanut butter, girl. I doubled it up. You didn't come by last night, and I went to the store and got you bread and peanut butter. Yes, I did, and other treats. I know there's food out back, too, but still, I want to see you. There's that pretty face. Let me see that pretty face. Mama. Big Ears is going to be nice, I promise. Yeah, I know. She's going to be a good girl. Thank you for being sweet to her. She's young. She don't know any better, I don't think. And I think she likes you, Mama. Yeah. When are you gonna have those babies for us? We're excited. Yeah, come get you more. Get you drinky. Well, you've had plenty of water outside, huh? Come on, Mama. Come on. Like I said, it's probably 10:10 by now. Get that peanut butter, girl. Clean those hands. So thick, huh? Your favorite. What is it, Mama? What is it? You want more? New video.